Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in PRAGMATA game. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on PRAGMATA game, select properties, go to the controller tab and here select the enable Steam input first and then just restart the game because changing requires the restart of the game. And then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to the controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then again restart the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So either enable Steam input or disable Steam input and check which one works for you. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in PRAGMATA game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it to different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issues. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So close Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch PRAGMATA game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in PRAGMATA game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.